Welcome back to Practical Piano. My name is Tia. I'm a teacher, and one of my students, Lucas, recently suggested that I teach you guys how to play smoothly. So this video is dedicated to Lucas, who already plays smoothly like a champ. This is a good way to think about playing smoothly. Here, I'm walking smoothly. What makes it smooth? I have a foot on the floor at all times. The way I'm walking here is not smooth. Why isn't it smooth? Well, here there's a moment where both my feet are off the floor. I'm going to walk smooth again so you can see what I'm talking about. So here my left foot is on the floor and I'm raising my right foot, but my right foot is still touching. That's what gives you a smooth look and feel while you're walking, because something is always touching the floor. So just like you do with your feet when you're walking, you're going to move your fingers along the keys like you're trading them out. Our goal here is to play C, D, E, F, G in a row in the right hand smoothly. And we're going to start with our finger 1 on C. You can use any C. For convenience, you might want to use middle C. So play C, and then as you hold down C, press D, and then let go of C. Let's do it again. Let's go C, we'll hold it down. As we press D, we're going to let go of C. Now you want to keep doing that until you get to be more like this, where you just trade them out. Now we're going to press C, and then trade to D, and then trade to E. And do that a few times until you're very comfortable with that movement. Now we're going to go up to F. So we'll press down C, D, E, and then we'll hold down E and we'll press down F, and then we're going to let go of E. So slowly, let's press down E. Now we'll press down F and we'll lift up off of E. And then we'll do E, and then we'll press down F and lift off of E. And keep doing that until you can do it kind of fast. And then we're going to go from C, trade to D, trade to E, trade to F. Now you're going to find between E and F is more difficult than between other fingers, because the 3 and the 4 have a hard time moving between each other. The 4 is a little bit weak. The other one you're going to have trouble with is moving from F to G in the right hand, because your 4 finger and your 5 finger are both weak and they don't move well apart from each other. So make sure you practice lots going between E and F and G. So now let's press F. We're going to hold down F, and then we're going to press down G, and then we're going to let go of F. And we'll do this again. Press F, then press G, let go of F. So then you want to practice this going up. C, trade with D, trade with E, trade with F, trade with G, and when you're ready, you can do this process going down. So you'll want to do 2 fingers at a time, just like we did going up. So the more you practice this way, the better you'll get at moving smoothly and trading between your fingers. And you can practice getting faster and faster. Whenever you're learning, you want to be patient with yourself. You can only learn so fast, and your body has to catch up with your brain. Or in some cases, your brain has to catch up with your body. And so you want to be patient and give yourself the time to move between each letter at whatever speed you need, and then gradually increase. It won't do you any good to abuse yourself. So even if you make a mistake, you can go, oh, ugh. Or you can go, oh, whoops. You can go, oh, no. Or you can say, oh, that's frustrating. But don't say, oh, I suck at this. Oh, I'm bad at this. Oh, I'll never be good at this. Because you're making predictions of failure for yourself. And that's not loving. Don't do that. You wouldn't do that to your little sister. You wouldn't do that to your little brother. You wouldn't do that if you're older. You wouldn't do that to your children. If you wouldn't do it to other people, don't do it to yourself. Don't be mean to yourself. Just be patient.
and you will get it, I promise.